Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. It's week 3 of the Axial Honcho Budget Build-Off. Cue the Welcome back to the Build-Off. Really happy to have you here. I appreciate all the comments and feedback on the previous videos, and I hope that you'll continue to do that. It really means a lot to me to hear what you guys think and to what you would spend your $50 a week on. So for this week, I decided to make a couple cosmetic changes and still keep the budget in check. What I like about sliders is whilst they add a bit of performance, they really help scale it out and make the truck look a lot better. I've always really enjoyed having a tube slider on the side of my trucks. I find that it can really help you pivot around an obstacle. Imagine, if you will, there's a large rock. I like to turn in quite sharply, let that tube slider help me pivot around that obstacle. It really helps you reduce your steering radius. It helps you get around an obstacle quite quickly, and it definitely adds a little bit in the looks department. These Wertymade sliders I picked up at RPP Hobby for $33.99. I just think they look really cool, and they're a nice little quick and easy piece to put on, and it adds a whole new dimension to how you can drive this truck. I also took some time to remove a lot of the existing stock stickers. Those decals are definitely cool, and I really appreciate everything that Axial did to kind of update the look of the Honcho, but I really wanted to make this my own. So I went on to eBay, I picked up a sample set of vinyl adhesive sheets. You can usually get these sample packs on eBay for around $5 or $6, sometimes more, sometimes less. It really depends on the supplier and how many sheets you want to get as part of that sample kit. I got the Toyota TRD colors. I love that racing scheme, and because this Honcho is loosely based off of a Tacoma, I figured, why not? Let's take this to the extreme and make it a TRD racing example. It's super easy to do, and it doesn't require a lot of effort or time or money, and it really makes the truck, like, in my opinion, shine. And I already loved this color. I thought the color that Axial chose is a really nice homage to the existing Toyota Quicksand color that is featured on the Tacoma TRD Pro that you can buy at the dealership. So I thought, why not kind of combine that Tacoma color with the TRD stripe pattern? Definitely made it my own. Really happy with how it turned out. Doesn't take much effort to cut out these shapes. Simple X-Acto blade. I made a little template so I knew exactly where I needed to cut, and just, you know, with a little bit of time and patience and care not to cut any fingers off, you get a really nice, unique looking truck. I'll put a link to where I got those samples on eBay down in the description below. I'll also put a link to the RPP website so you can pick up your own Wertymade sliders. So not a huge week mechanically. I didn't do a lot to the truck. I haven't even really had an opportunity to take it out because it's been so cold here. I don't like driving in the snow, especially when it's too deep. It just kind of bogs everything down, and I don't really feel like I have as much fun as I do in the dirt or the mud. Josh and I both agreed that this would be a great week to do a giveaway, so he's giving away something. I'm going to give away something. I'm going to give away a set of the TRD Pro decals that I created. I'm going to give you a Scale Builders Guild patch, and that is Velcro backed, so you can stick that on your tactical backpack or whatnot. And I'll also give away a set of the new Scale Builders Guild 2018 bumper sticker set, and there's some very funny bumper stickers on there, so that's all going to go to one lucky viewer. It's just our way of giving back and saying thanks for watching this series. We really appreciate your support. In order to win this giveaway, you need to comment below on this video and this video only. I'll pick someone at random from those comments and message you directly so we can send these out. If you want to order your own set of bumper stickers, I'll put the link in the description below so you can find out how to get them. So tally for week 3. I spent $10 on the Adhesive Vinyl sample set from eBay. I spent $33.99 on the sliders from Wertymade at RPP for a grand total spent of $43.99, leaving me a total based on last week of $7.81. Still in the black. And like that there, that's week 3 taken care of. Really appreciate you watching. Please, if you don't already, subscribe, and if you didn't already, click that like button down there and click that notification bell up there. We'll see you soon for week 4.